Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Notion to Slack. So let's start first by opening your Notion or log in with your existing Notion account and creating or signing in with your Slack account. And to integrate Notion to Slack, we're gonna use the Zapier.com. So you also need to create and sign in Zapier.com. And to start from the home of Zapier, kindly click the dashboard button, in which it will lead you to this. Please select Create Zap. And from this page, you can change the title of the Zap. Let's say Connecting Notion to Slack as the title of our Zap. After that, the first process in integrating is to trigger. And the first thing that we need to trigger is the Notion. So kindly find in the search bar Notion and click on it. And fill up the requirement or the required details such as the event and proceed Continue. We also need to link our account in Notion in Zapier.com and then select Continue and fill the required details and proceed to continue. After that, click the Test Trigger button and scroll down and proceed Continue. And the second step of the integrating is Action, in which we need to find and select the Slack. Kindly find it in the search bar and click on it. And same process as before, all we need to do is to fill up all the required details and press Continue. We also need to link our Slack account and click Continue. Just fill out the required details and information and proceed to Test Action. And after that, click Skip Test and proceed to Publish Zap button. Kindly wait to publish your Zap until it will be successfully published. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate Notion to Slack, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.